Okay, guys. This is question set 32. So we are doing bill book system. We are writing. We are making tables for bill book system computer software. We are in AI Soft. We are the software senior software engineers, and we need to make those table in ER diagram. And to do this, follow the instructions below. Name database like earlier shoe center. So previous video we did question set 31, and we make some but we made user table, city table, and like that. If I show you that user table, user type, system login, city, and address. Now we have to make a product table, brand table, and GRN. That means good received not table, and good received not items, and stock table. And also we have to make invoice table and invoice item table. So these tables, you know how to make those tables. So I'm just going to ER diagram and making those tables. Now you can see I'm a little bit fast forward in this video because you know how to make tables. Now we made all the table. Now you can see product table, brand table, good received not table, and good received not item table, stock, invoice item table. So 1, 2, 3, 7. Yeah, we have to make 7 table. Right, we made that. So that is the today part. So we made product table. Now we have to connect those tables with relationships. In my question set 33, we will see how to connect those tables using relationships. All right. Now I'm going to wind up my video today. So today part is so easy because we know how to make those tables. Using ER diagram is so easy for us because we have a GUI option like that, place a new table. Yeah, that's all. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.